We need to verify the material density here before the robotics proceed.
Confirmed. The current data looks stable.
Initialize diagnostics on the primary navigation array.
Reading critical retardation on the gyroscope controls. Logging now.
The new digital architecture is significantly denser.
This bundle is definitely a C, old hydraulics leaking.
Confirmed. Tag it for haz waste.
Übertreibchef
Tolerance.
This junction requires dedicated shielding. Process A and B can now proceed sequentially.
The modernization of the Tu-160M begins with the careful removal of its obsolete analog systems.
That's the last one. Looks clean. Confirmed. The MFD frame should sit perfectly now. Team 1, bring the next section up slowly. Copy that. Watching the clearance on the starboard side.
Temperature steady at 21 Celsius. Humidity at 35%. Clear for Process A.
Transported by AGVs across the factory floor, these precision-machined titanium racks are hoisted into
Diagnostics clear on this segment. Tension looks good.
Clamp secured. Ready for the next run.
Torque is set to 95.
Confirmed. Harness secured.
All right, pull synchronized now.
Tension holding steady at the joint.
Clear to defeating the harness.
The TDR readings are perfect. We are clear for Process B integration.
Ensure complete coverage on this penetration.
A verification complete for this section.
Ensure the alignment is precise before we start the pressure test.
Reading green across the board, no leakage detected.
This crucial spine carries all command and sensor data, replacing the old point-to-point analog wiring. Harness routing complete on Section 4.
Strain relief checked and secured. Ready for closure.
The sequence is complete. We have stabilization across all major circuits.
All indicators green. Process A integrity confirmed.
The wiring harness test is complete. Process A is officially concluded, and the airframe is ready for avionics integration.
Wiggle test initiated. Secure on this side.
Confirmed stable. Ready for inspection.
The anti-corrosion agent ensures that potential leakage or condensation won't compromise the electrical insulation, protecting the delicate fiber optics.
The laser alignment is set.
Torque sequence initiated.
Airframe approaching clean room threshold. Process A complete.
Confirmed. Moving into Process B bay. Path is clear.
Aligning the Process A harness now.
Confirmed. Starting the sequence on the dampeners.
Ensure the alignment is perfect before locking.
We are within tolerance. Securing mounts now.
Process B involves the delicate integration of the new high-resolution MFDs, a critical step in the modernization of the Tu-160.
Run the diagnostics on the WSO panel. We need to confirm structural integrity.
All systems nominal. Process A link is stable.
By adjusting the color spectrum and intensity, we ensure full night vision compatibility across the new digital displays.
These cooling lines are essential for dissipating the heat. The connection points are rigorously checked for leakage using fluorescent dye and UV light.
Power sequence initiated.
We have green across the board. Avionics online.
Data integrity checks holding steady at 99.8%.
Acknowledged. Calibration phase complete.
Actuator response steady. Verify the telemetry on Process B.
Confirmed. Data stream is nominal across all channels.
This unit records all flight parameters and system performance metrics generated by the new Process B avionics, ensuring comprehensive post-flight analysis.
Threat detection, Sector Charlie. Initiate countermeasures.
Roger. Deploying flares now. Verify altitude hold.
The new digital interface connects the APU to the main Process A harness. This allows the Process B flight...
All right, team, let's initiate Process B. Check the seal integrity.
Confirm, the fit is perfect.
Signal transparency looks good.
Tracer coverage is complete on the entry seal.
Confirmed. Pressure integrity is nominal.
Check the Process B emissions at the high band.
Levels look nominal, well within the specified limits.
Crucial for survivability, this test confirms the robust shielding, as the MFDs remain completely stable under heavy electronic warfare.
The EMC results are conclusive. Process A and B show zero interference.
Confirmed. The modernization is complete.
Bring it down slowly now. Easy, easy.
A little to the left, aligning point 3.
Secured. We are good to go.
Brakes check complete. Response nominal.
Affirmative. Steering engaged. Comm check. Radio 1.
With the new digital side stick and integrated glass cockpit, the pilot receives instantaneous feedback on ground speed and critical engine telemetry.
The new avionics performed flawlessly. Thumbs up on Process B.
Data confirms full integration. Outstanding work.